we discussed what is meant by polynomial and remaining all. Good evening, students. In previous class already we discussed about the polynomials. What is meant by polynomial, degrees of polynomial, and types of polynomials, things like linear, degrees, quadratic, cubic, polynomial, and monopolynomial, binomial. Like that already we discussed. In previous class also we discussed about the graph also. Ma, all of you unmute yourself. In graph also we discuss graph is nothing but pictorial representation, and in graph also you will get curve shape. Curve shape nothing but parabola we can call parabola. So curve shape like that it will come like this.
మేడం మేడం వాయిస్ వినపడకుంటుంది మేడం. మేడం వాయిస్ వినపడకుంటుంది మేడం.
See, ax plus b equal to 0. Here we are equating this total equation to 0. So here ax equal to minus b we will get. How we got this minus b? Here see, plus b. Here plus b will come into 0 that side, means here it is equal to is there. Equal to right side. You will get the positive will become into negative number. Already in previous classes, not in your lower classes, already we discussed about this one. Here plus means minus, minus plus you will get into division into you will get. Already in previous classes we discussed, means you were 7th, 8th, 9th. Already got all this. So x equal to minus b. And here ax means a into x. So x equal to minus b by a. Here a into, here a is what here a is doing, it is multiplicating. While coming equal to that side, it will become into division. So x equal to minus b by a. That is the relation. Here if you see here ax, x is what here? Is the variable. Yes or no? X. And here means here question we can able to say. Suppose you can say here some example. 2x plus 3, which is equal to 0, you can able to take. Suppose 2x plus 3 means here x is the variable and 2 is the here 2 is quotient. 2 is the quotient, x is variable and 3 is constant term. Here 3 is constant. Okay, ma, how will write this number? 2x equal to minus 3. X equal to 2x here plus 3. Well, coming to equal to that side, will become into minus 3. And after that, 2x equal to minus 3 we got. Now here 2 into x it is there. So will coming to right side will become into minus 3 by 2. Okay, ma'am. Here a equal to 2, b equal to 3. Means like that we can able to take. So this is the relation. Suppose you can take here 2 is the quotient. X is the variable and 3 is the constant. Here what relation we are finding means x equal to minus b by a. Means x equal to whatever the constant number is there, that number will come into numerator, and whatever the quotient of x is there, that will become into denominator. That is only here. Minus 3. 3 is the constant. So 3 is the numerator. And x quotient is 2. So 2 become into here denominator. And here if you observe one more thing, what additional is there? Minus is there here. Okay, ma? From left side is positive number, coming into right side become into the negative number. Just once copy it, ma. Just copy it.
Completed, madam.
Ma, this is only linear polynomial, yes or no? Linear means degree 1. So degree 1 is this, which is called as the linear polynomial. Now you see about the quadratic means 2. Degree 2. See, in previous classes also we discussed about the degrees only. So in this chapter mainly for your degrees will come. So now we can take from another example. Example 2 we can take. Previous it is taken as a example 1. So now we can take another example. Suppose x square minus 5x plus 6 you can take. Okay, ma. First you do the factorization for this. Factors, how we can find the factors? In 9th, 8th we found that one. Suppose take x square minus 5x plus 6. What is the quotient of x square? Nothing is there means 1 is there. We have to imagine here 1 is there. So 1 into, this is the 6 constant. So 1 into 6 we will get this 6. So how
మాట్లాడుతుంది.
Now see, how can write the factors? 1 into 6 equal to 6. Again, 2 into 3 which is equal to 6. Yes or no? But here minus 5 is there. X coefficient is minus 5. We have to get minus 5. 2 plus 3 how much? 5. Minus 2 minus 3 how much? Is 5. So minus 2 into minus 3 means it is plus 6. Yes or no? 2 3 is 6. Minus into minus plus. Already we discussed it. When 2 minus is there, it will become into plus. When 3 minus is there, become into minus. In previous classes, already we discussed it. So now write minus 2 minus 3, which is equal to minus 5. So how we can write? X squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. X we can take common. X minus 2. Minus 3 can take common. X minus 2. X minus 2. X minus 3. So factors of x square minus 5x plus 6 what? X minus 2, x minus 3. Now we have to find zeros of this polynomial. Zeros of x square minus 5x plus 6 means x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. X square minus 5 plus 6 means we can write this one, no? We can take here equal to. So x minus 2, x minus 3 which is equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0, comma, x minus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to 2, x equal to 3. See, ma, here you got two values. What is the two values? X equal to 2, x equal to 3. Here you got two values. So here what we have to find is, here two conditions is there for us to find. What is that? Sum of the quotients and product of the quotients we have to find. Means sum of the zeros. Sorry, here zeros is there, no? Sum of the zeros and sum of product of the zeros we have to find. Now I will find sum of the zeros. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is nothing but we have to add these two numbers. Suppose you can take here, this is A and this is B you can take. So A plus B which is equal to 2 plus 3 which is equal to 5. And product of zeros you can take. Product of zeros. Product of zeros means what? A into B. Means 2 into 3 which is equal to 6. Now see, sum of the zeros. Sum means we have to add 2 or 3 numbers. Here how many numbers is there? 2 numbers is there. So here we are adding 2 numbers. So you can take here 2 equal to A, 3 equal to B. So A plus B equal to 2 plus 3 which is equal to 5 got. And product of zeros. A into B 2 into 3 which is equal to 6. Yes or no? So we got the values. So now what we have to find means, here sum of the zeros, product of zeros we got. Now we have to find quotients. Means zeros of the polynomial we got. And quotient of the polynomials has to find. Now we have to show that both are same. Okay, ma, just once copy it. Take the example and copy it. Ma, just once copy it.
Completed, madam.
Complete, ma'am.
Okay, ma. See, I'm analyzing this one.
No, ma'am, screen is not visible, ma'am.
Ma, screen it is visible, but you have to enclose that one. Screen పెద్ద చేస్తుంది. Ma, already this is making into a video. I'll keep in the group. You can follow that one, okay? See, ma, again I'm writing this one up. Once observe sum of the zeros. Sum of zeros means which is equal to 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. Mom, what is our equation? X squared minus 5x plus 6. This is only our equation. So here what we have to observe is, here what I'm writing is, once observe clearly. Here minus of, so here I can take minus. So here I will take the minus of minus, then you'll get the value. See, minus of minus 5 by 1 minus of quotient of x by quotient of x square. Now once observe here, sum of the zeros means we got 2 plus 3 which is equal to 5. That is sum of the zeros. So here sum of the zeros means what? Nothing but here 5 is there. How can I write this 5? Minus of minus 5. Can you able to write now? Yes, minus into minus plus 5. Again you got this value only. But here minus 5 is nothing but quotient of x. Yes or no? Here this is x is there. X quotient is minus 5. So here minus 5. Minus of quotient of x by quotient of x square. Here nothing is there. Already in previous class we discussed nothing is there. Suppose if you take down denominator nothing is there means we have to imagine there 1 is there. Yes or no? So like that here I am imagining. So minus of minus 5 by 1, nothing but minus of quotient of x by quotient of x square. We got it value or not? Once observe. 2 plus 3 we will got 5.
క్లాస్ ఉంది.
మ్యామ్ వాయిస్ వినబడకుంది మేడం. మ్యామ్ వాయిస్ సరిగ్గా రాకుంది మ్యామ్.
మ్యామ్ వాయిస్ వినపడకుంది మ్యామ్.
Can you able to hear my voice now, all of you? Once see.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
మ్యామ్
Okay, ma. Okay, sum of the zeros means nothing but minus the quotient of x by quotient of x square. Now you have to take the product of zeros. Product of zeros, which is equal to 1 into 3. Yes or no? So 1 into 3 means 3 will get. Now you can write constant term by quotient of x square. What is the constant term here? 6. 6 is the constant term by x square. X square quotient how much? 2. So 6 by 2 how much? It is 3. Now see, first we have to find out the factors, otherwise we can do the directly also. Next time we will do the direct. Okay, so further we have to find the sum of the zeros and product of zeros. Sum of the zeros means what? Minus of quotient of x by quotient of x square. And product of zeros means constant term by quotient of x square. Copy it, ma. Ma, just note down.
Completed, ma'am.
Ma, for all of it is completed. Ma, up to see, ma, up to now we discussed about the quadratic means up to square we discuss, and now we'll discuss about the cubic. Just ma, now we'll discuss about the cubic means we'll complete this type of problems. Okay. So we can take some cubic also. Cubic means how many 3 digits will be there for cubic polynomial? Yes or no? Yes. So how can you find the cubic polynomials means schema? Small example I'll give you. For that example, we can able to find the cubic polynomial. Example 4 you can take one. Suppose you can take general formula. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Now this is the general form means p of x equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. That is the cubic polynomial formula, general formula. So what are the numbers we can take? So we can able to represent in that, we'll get the zero values. Suppose simply we can take some numbers. Otherwise directly I'm giving, after that I'll give you example for you. So in this we can able to find the sum of the zeros, product of the zeros, and sum and product of zeros also we can get. So how like we can take means suppose p of x equal to, we can take some 2x cube, 3x square, and what it maybe you can able to take some x cube plus 3x square minus x minus 2 also you can take. X cube plus 5x square otherwise you can take 2x cube minus 5x square. 2x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 8 you can able to take. Here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 5, c equal to minus 14 and d equal to 8. Means this is the general formula. Okay, man. Now what we have to do means we have to give for that zeros of the polynomial we have to find. How will find the zeros of that polynomial? Any one of you? Suppose you can take 0. 0 means you'll get some constant value. Suppose you can take some other values. What is that? Some x equal to 4 you can take. Suppose minus 2 means we have to substitute the values in that equation and we have to get that solution. Finally, then you can say that is what are the equation we took that is equal to 0 we can able to find.
మేడం వాయిస్ వినపడకుంది మేడం.
Must see always p of x equal to like this only we have to take down, and after that we have to substitute the values. Means what are the value you want to take. Suppose here why I am taking 4 2 and 1/2 means minus 2, because for this values only this equation will becoming into 0, means this total is equal to 0 we got. Okay ma, now you take x equal to 1/2. Substitute this 1/2 in this equation. 2 into 1/2 whole cube minus 5 into 1/2 whole square minus 14 into 1/2 plus 8. So here this is 2/8. 2/8 means this is 1/4 minus this is 5/4. This is minus 14, but we can take, and plus 8. So while doing the equation, you will get this total also 0 only. See ma, 1 minus 5 minus 28 plus 32/4. See ma, 33 minus 33/4, which is equal to 0 you got. Means here it did LCM 4 2 2, you got the LCM